Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Marie's here, and today I've got a great video for all beginners out there because this is your vocal warm-up for high notes. I'm going to guide you through some easy vocal exercises to train your head voice. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-ups like this, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Follow along and let's get started. It's time to get started with vocal exercise number 1, lip trills. Let's go. Great job. Keep going. Control the airflow. Keep breathing. Nice work. We can do one more. You can do this. You're doing amazing. Let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, next up, grab your straw and let's do straw phonation to warm up your head voice. If you don't have a straw, you can do puffy cheeks. I'm gonna use my straw, but we can alternate between puffy cheeks and straw. Join me. Nice work. Nice work. Keep going. Two more. Okay, we can do one more and that's it. Vocal exercise number 2, light humming in head voice. 5 notes up and down. Follow along. Great. Nice job. Very light. You're doing great. Woo! Keep going. Okay, keep it up. One more to go. You can do this. Wow. We're going to do a gentle vocal exercise to connect your chest voice to your head voice. This vocal exercise will help you to reach high note more easily. Slide. Nice work. Take your time. Keep breathing. Slide. Nice work. Nice work. If it's too high, you can stop the exercise, no problem. Let's continue. Great job. One more to go, and that's it. Slide. Very nice. Thank you so much for watching and following along with me today. I hope you will come back because I've got new videos every week. So subscribe to my channel, like this video so you can practice again with me this week. And if you want to keep going with your high notes, you can check out this video right here. Until then, see you next time.